Fueling station. What do you guys think? Look at this mountain. Ooh, that's pretty, eh? This might be the last one. Might stop and look at one more piece, but I guess that's kind of a glacier, isn't it? Is it a glacier? Looks like a glacier. Or is it just a drift of snow? There must be a cave in there. 9 times! 9 times. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, there's a bug. Sorry, guys. Every time a bug bites me, I gotta, like, zoom back out again. Cool. Fueling tanks.
Yeah, that's what Bob used to work.
Yeah, pretty cool. Look at that snake up there. See that? That's where the glacier moved all that dirt. You see it up there? Oh, I wish we could pile through that dirt.
Oh, yeah.
Do you see it? Way up there? See it? See it?
I see all the lights up there on the mountain.
Glaciers. A lot of nice snow.
I see all the light on the mountain.
Yeah.
That's why light on the mountain.
Isn't that pretty?
Where's
Ah!
up there
Get
on the mountain?
bugs. Bugs.
I wish we could get on the mountain.
Let's go. I wish we could get on the mountain too. That would be sweet. Oh, Hogswort. Dude. Meow, meow. What?
There's a lot of long grass here.
Yeah. I know. I thought we could go over there, but maybe there's bugs. Stinging nettles. Okay. And this is where the helicopter landed. I guess helicopter landed here. I don't know much about it. Fueled up over there.
Oh, yeah.
Some Rust-Oleum on that one.
It fuels up here somewhere.
Yeah, it fuels up here somewhere. Man, that's a pretty mountain.
Somewhere right there. Somewhere where you like.
Somewhere right there. Mummy really likes that big chunk of gravel there. There's one there. And look, there's some humps over here too. You guys see that?
That makes it
Look
H.
at that.
Because that means landing, the AH. AH
Where?
means landing.
Where?
Helicopter and
Where?
landing symbol looks like an H.
Where?
See if we can find an H.
Oh, I know, but I don't think there's one right here, honey. Come back out to the road. That's like on a, you're right. It would be an H, but
Because they always look like that. The H.
they always look like that.
They always look like in the H.
They always look like in an
A
H.
circle around the H. That's where a literally helicopter parking.
Helicopter parking symbol. Gold. Waterfall. Pretty cool.
Yes, that's where they park, but it's all snow when they park. If they do it in the winter, because then people go skiing.
Thought there would be an H.
Oh, in the buttercups they park.
In the buttercups, yeah.
He parked in the buttercups.
Legit in the buttercups.
He parked in the buttercups?
Yeah. There's a creek over here. All right, and this road just up around the corner is the Overguard Falls Lookout. If you guys wanted to know, I just wanted to come and look at this little creek. Pan that out, hey, look at the rust there. There's probably some quartz out here. A musty quartz block. It looks cool. It's very cool. I like it. Okay, Mad Dog Mountain Arts Adventure Channel. Adventure Channel. Where we look at things. We look at a lot of things. We film a lot of mountains. It looks cool. Okay, peace.